Hello. A few months ago I uploaded a video titled Balisong Combo 3 of a short combo I did. As of now the video has 2000 views and a few people asked me to do a tutorial, so I did. Here's the combo. Okay, so first of all you want to grab the bite handle and then just drop the blade. Then you want to put your thumb here and use the momentum to do a thumb rollover. Then you catch the safe handle and you grab it with your thumb and your middle finger, then pass it through your hand almost into a back position and do another rollover around your thumb. Catch the bite handle, do a wrist pass, and then move your finger away. Then flick the safe handle up and around your middle finger. After it rolls around your middle finger, grab the safe handle with your index finger, flick it up, and do another spin around your index finger. Then just open the blade, flick it around your index finger, and finish with a simple aerial.